Niue has been recognized for its contribution towards whale research and conservation efforts as part of the South Pacific Whale Sanctuary, with an award presented to Niue and Amatavua in April. Tokelau is the newest member of the South Pacific Whale Sanctuary, bringing the number of national territories to 11. Niue is also part of this regional initiative that aims to protect and conserve whales, declaring its EEZ to the Whale Sanctuary in 2003. But setbacks in the development of legislation has hampered their efforts. Niue Fisheries says that the groundwork for the development of this legislation to legalize some of the guiding principles and guidelines set out for Niue whale watching. This has been done and is now awaiting Cabinet's final decision, which will hopefully come through by July. Despite these setbacks, Niue and Amatavua are now working on increasing its membership base and are depending on donations to continue the cause as a non-profit organization dedicated to the protection and celebration of whales and their unique marine heritage.